Given the opportunity to use dried urine, I would definitely use it.
Like the whole
it is easier to use. It is much easier to use compared to say the liquid.
Now, how do you apply it? How do you apply this dried urine? Do you apply it on a maize?
Yes, Mister. Why don't we try so that he can?
Yeah, that's what I would want.
This method.
I would want to know how you apply it.
Yeah, you just get it in a handful and then apply around the plant. So the thinking is that the nutrients in the dried urine will actually dissolve in water, and then they'll be taken up by the plant. Hey, I told you to come.
The method in which we apply the dried urine, right? Okay.
This is we already weighed out to dried urine.
Okay.
And this is, for example, how many grams of it? This is the 310 grams, yeah. Which are going to be applied on this
particular plot.
A plot which is 5 meters by 4 meters. 5 meters by 4 meters. Now this 310 grams is equivalent to 1.5 times the recommended nitrogen rate. Okay. So 300 grams applied to this is equivalent to 1.5 times. And again, we compute this based on the nitrogen content of dried urine. So first of all, as soon as we get the product from the factory, we first analyze it in the lab, get the nitrogen content, then we compute, okay, in this plot, how much of material do we need to apply so that we supply the recommended or half, the price of the recommended. So please go ahead.
So this normally is also how DAP is applied during the during farming. Okay.
And that's how they apply DAP also.
Well, DAP is normally applied at planting, and
do you incorporate it in the soil when you apply, or just?
There are different methods.
Okay.
But the one of them is to broadcast. Okay, and then incorporate. The other way is to apply it within each planting hole.
Okay.
The DAP. So we just apply like a bottle full of bottle of soda for each plant, each planting hole, and then you cover it with a bit of soil, and then you continue. And then after that, you're supposed to apply supposed to apply top dress with the urea at knee high, and the maize is knee high. Yeah. So, for the sake of this study, the DAP application method was modified slightly.
To that of the.
So that it matches this one, and then we shall be able to compare the results more easily. Otherwise, if we stuck to the bottle application when these others are being applied separately, one would say, but the materials are being applied differently. How would you compare the results? So we are saying, let's standardize the application method.